Hey, just want to say thank you for joining me once again. So now we've already done the air filter up under the hood. Of course, there we used a T25 Torx T25. For the air filter or cabin filter on the inside here, we're going to be using a Torx T20 to undo the panel, which will allow us to get to the interior cabin filter. Now, as I mentioned before, I always like to use parts from the Mercedes Benz store. You can give them the VIN and they know exactly which part fits your automobile. This, of course, would be part number A212-830-0318. And there again, you've never seen your cabin filter. This is exactly what your cabin filter looks like. So we're going to insert this. Goes right up under your glove compartment here, as you can see. We're going to insert it underneath. First, I have to actually remove a panel, which I'm going to do with the Torx T20, and insert, put the screws back in, done. Now, you will need additional lighting. Of course, this is going to be in the foot area of your vehicle, so it's rather dark down there, especially with the black carpet. That's my second screw. And then, of course, if you come all the way up top here, this one's going to be darn near at the bottom of the glove compartment. So, of course, this will be my third. And you can already see where the panel has already started to drop. Go ahead and do that one. And so the whole section here just pulls down. And all you have to do from here, make sure to detach your light. So you definitely want to take this off. You don't want to break that hose. And that's your panel. You just want to work this off. All right. So this whole thing, as you can see, comes out. All right. So the carpet had it, which made it a little tougher to get out. We're going to go ahead and remove the whole panel here. Don't worry about your light source. That's in place. Hopefully you didn't break it. Now you can see the air filter has a little bit of a cover on it. This is a lock. So just push that forward and this should pop right down. So once it snaps forward, falls right down, and you can go ahead and remove your interior air cabin. You do have to remove this from your old filter. And all you want to do there is just snap it back into place. And as you can see, just goes right over, locks into place like that. So when you're putting your air filter back in, you can see the shape. When you actually see the shape of your air filter, you're going to see it has a rather unusual shape. There's one more straight in. You want to put that closest to you, or closest to the cabin area. And you want to put the rather curved area closest to the engine area. So all you're going to do, of course, once you have it, go ahead and insert into your hole. Now just take it and push up, push it right into place. Once you have it into place there, now you can move your lock back into position. Matter of fact, we're going to take that completely off. We're going to put it there, push this back into position, and let's see. All right, so got it. So you got to put your lock. That's locked back into place. That shouldn't have been quite as hard. Once you have that locked back into place, now before this was in the way, so what we're going to do is go ahead and pull this down. And you can see the little lip area here. Got a little lip that actually fits in behind the carpet, which is what I had a problem pulling forward earlier. All right, so we're back into place there. Just put everything back into position. Gonna go ahead and hang our light out. As you can tell, that was a major issue. And there we go. We're back. Getting my light back into place. There we go. Alright, so all I need to do now is just put my screws back in and we're all good. Locked into place. Air filter change, inside and outside. Of course, this will be your cabin filter. Once you get your screws back into place, everything else from there is quite easy. All right, so as you can see, I've got everything back into place. That's screw number 1, screw number 2, and screw number 3. That sucker's a little hard to get in. And you can see I've got my carpet mat, and there is the carpet of the vehicle, which is right underneath. You just got to get this tucked back in. Yeah, this is angles, awkward positions. So, but task complete. And as you can see me here on my back, got my light in behind me. But hopefully you have enjoyed this. That's your cabin air filter you just replaced. You've got the air filter up under the hood. Take care of your car, take care of your vehicle. Of course, save a lot of money this way, and you don't have to worry about other problems occurring when you do take it to the dealership.